minimum 14 hours of being at duty every day. Here's what I had to do in my medicine internship as an intern doctor. I had to report at 7 a.m. every day, and 7 to 10 a.m. happens sampling. So there are almost 50 to 60 patients in the ward at any given point of time, and almost हर patient के 5 से 6 vials of sample, and almost हर patient की 10 से 15 ml खून की sampling is done by 2 or 3 interns at max between 7 to 10 a.m. This is very hectic. Once it's 10 a.m., rounds happen, all senior doctors come in, check all the patients that are admitted, and give us more work. There are referrals that have to happen from other departments, blood to be released from the blood bank, and important samples to be delivered by us because we cannot afford them getting lost. Then by around 12 p.m., we get another sampling list of all the serious patients जिनके ABGs, serum electrolytes हमें फिर से भेजने होते हैं before the evening rounds happen. और ये सब खत्म करते करते almost 3-4 बज जाते हैं, and that is lunch time for us. We hardly get 30 minutes to finish our lunch क्योंकि उसके बाद और काम आ जाता है because evening rounds are supposed to happen. We have to do evening vitals of all the patients admitted in the ward, 50 to 60 of these patients. Once that is done, another set of evening rounds happen, and उन evening rounds से पहले होना होता है और सारे routine reports का collection जो सुबह हमने samples भेजे हैं उनके. So we do report collection and evening rounds होते होते by God's grace 8:30 पौने 9 बज जाते हैं रात के, और फिर हम request कर करके ड्यूटी से भाग आते हैं, and that's how a day goes.